Welcome to Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic, Bhandup, your trusted destination for ethical, modern healthcare under one roof. A thoughtfully designed space combining clinical precision with comfort of elevator and wheelchair accessibility. Every detail here is built around your care. Our consultation rooms are private, well equipped, and powered by experienced super specialists who focus on listening first. Each OPD is designed for focused consultations, combining confidentiality, hygiene, and personalized care. Whether routine or specialized, every visit here reflects our commitment to authentic, ethical practice. Aurum offers a fully stocked in-house pharmacy with quick dispensing and home delivery for your convenience. From ultrasonography to other imaging services, our diagnostics are powered by advanced technology machines with precision. Stress tests and 2D echo help assess heart health safely and accurately with our AI-based advanced machines in controlled conditions. Our digital X-ray unit delivers quick, low radiation imaging with clear visuals and instant reporting. Designed for accuracy, comfort, and minimal wait time, tests like ECG, EMG, NCV, and PFT are done here. Our high-tech procedure room is ready for safe procedures following strict surgical protocols. Our rehabilitation zone supports healing and mobility, offering tailored rehab and therapies in a peaceful setting. Meet the hearts behind Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic. Dr. Ravindra Ghule has performed over 7,000 advanced cardiac procedures with precision and care. His calm confidence and steady hands offer more than just treatment.
So I am Dr. Ravindra Ghule. I am a senior interventional cardiologist working at Fortis Hospital, Mulund, Mumbai. Here at Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic, Bhandup, we are offering all cardiac diagnostic, including cardiac consultation, ECG, echocardiography, stress test, Holter monitoring.
Dr. Prasad Padwal is a World Book of Records awardee. He is someone who listens deeply, treats mindfully, and walks every step with you, especially when breathing becomes difficult.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prasad Prafula Padwal, chest physician and intensivist. Here in Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic, we are offering a super specialty consultation from all the branches. We are providing a proper and aggressive care for the patient's conditions and patient's recovery. Here, basically, we are offering from the lungs point of view multiple diagnostic facilities like a bronchoscopy, interventions, basically USG guided procedures from the lungs point of view, also the allergy testing, also the basically lung function assessment test. In Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic, we are offering a rehabilitation services from the lung conditions like ILD and bronchial asthma and COPD patients. It provides a pathway from the disease condition to a normalcy, improving the functional capacity as well as the functional improvement in the lung conditions.
Dr. Viral Surani has completed over 4,000 endoscopic procedures offering expert digestive care. Patients often express how he explains things simply and ease their anxiety.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Viral. I'm a gastroenterologist. I'm looking after the liver disorders, gastrointestinal disorders, stomach related issues, pancreas related issues. We at Aurum offering the in-house endoscopy. We are offering upper GI endoscopy, colonoscopy and ERCP procedures.
Aurum Multi-Speciality Clinic, where healing begins with trust.